Have you ever noticed something strange at a tire shop? One set costs $320. Another costs $550. The tread looks almost identical. The warranty is similar. The ratings are close. So where did the extra $230 go? Sometimes you're paying for better performance, but sometimes you're paying for a name you've heard before. Today, we're exposing 4 tire brands that mechanics quietly recommend, but most drivers walk right past. By the end of this video, you'll know how to spot a hidden bargain and avoid the cheap tires that aren't worth bringing home. Let's start with a brand that surprises almost everyone. Number 1, Laufen. If you've never heard of Laufen, you're not alone. Most people see the unfamiliar name and immediately assume it's some off-brand tire made in a factory nobody can find on a map. That's exactly why it's often overlooked. But here's the reality. Laufen isn't some startup tire company trying to break into the market. It's owned by Hankook, one of the largest tire manufacturers in the world. The same company that supplies tires for major automakers and sells premium products across North America and Europe. Laufen was created to compete in the budget market without forcing customers to pay premium brand pricing. Think of it this way. You're not buying unknown engineering. You're buying engineering that has already been tested and refined by a company with decades of experience. For everyday commuting, family road trips, and highway driving, many drivers find Laufen delivers far more value than its price tag suggests. And that's why informed buyers keep choosing it. Number 2, General Tire. General Tire has a problem. It's too familiar. People see the name and assume it's average. Not exciting. Not premium. Just another tire sitting in the middle of the rack. But General has something most shoppers never realize. It's backed by Continental, one of the biggest tire companies on the planet. That means General benefits from years of engineering, testing, and development that would be impossible for a small independent brand. Many of General's most popular models have earned loyal followings because they provide dependable traction, comfortable ride quality, and impressive tread life without demanding premium prices. Drivers often discover that the performance difference between a General and a much more expensive competitor is smaller than they expected. The price difference, however, can be huge. Number 3, Cooper. Ask an experienced mechanic about value tires, and Cooper's name comes up again and again. Why? Because Cooper built its reputation the old-fashioned way, by delivering reliable tires year after year. While flashy brands spend millions on marketing, Cooper focused on producing tires that simply get the job done. Strong all-season performance, predictable handling, good tread life, reasonable prices. In recent years, Cooper became part of Goodyear, giving it access to even more resources and technology. Yet the brand continues to compete in the value category. For drivers who care more about performance than advertising, Cooper remains one of the smartest choices available. Number 4, Kumho. Kumho might be one of the most misunderstood tire brands in the industry. Mention Kumho to some drivers, and they'll immediately call it a budget tire. But here's what they don't know. Kumho supplies tires for major vehicle manufacturers around the world. Automakers don't choose tires randomly. Every tire must pass strict testing for durability, safety, noise, ride quality, and performance. Kumho has spent decades earning those contracts. The company has also invested heavily in research and development, creating tires that frequently compete with brands costing significantly more. The result? Drivers who give Kumho a chance are often surprised by how much performance they get for the money. So how do you tell a smart budget tire from a bad one? Ignore the advertisements. Ignore the sales pitch. Instead, check these 4 things. First, tire age. Look for the DOT code on the sidewall. The last 4 numbers reveal when the tire was manufactured. Even a brand new tire loses value if it has spent years sitting in storage. Fresh rubber matters. Second, load rating. Always make sure the tire meets or exceeds your vehicle's required load capacity. This information is listed on your driver's door sticker. Never sacrifice safety to save money. Third, tread wear rating. A higher tread wear number generally indicates longer life. While it isn't a perfect measurement, it gives you a useful comparison between tires. Fourth, manufacturer reputation. Find out who actually builds the tire. Many value brands are supported by major global manufacturers. Knowing the parent company often tells you far more than the logo on the sidewall. The bottom line: the most expensive tire isn't always the best choice, and the cheapest tire isn't always a mistake. The smartest drivers look beyond the brand name. They look at engineering. They look at ratings. They look at who actually makes the product. That's why brands like Lawson, General, Cooper, and Kumho continue to win over drivers who want maximum value without sacrificing safety. Because sometimes the best tire in the store isn't the one everyone is talking about. It's the one nobody bothered to notice.